Let's talk about making money, monetizing your community. Now, there's generally four paths into the life cycle of somebody coming into your school or coming into your community and how you can monetize your group. Now, there's typically four different life cycles for anybody who starts a school community and how to monetize your group. Now, what you can do is a few things. First of all, you can just keep your school community free forever. Free traffic, provide value, generate a community that is just valuable that nobody can say no to. All right. Your next option is to make it free, then paid. Now, be careful when you're doing this and make sure you know that if you start people out on a free subscription, converting them into a paid monthly plan after that usually isn't going to go over very well. The other option is you can have free, then paid. So, what's important to know about free, then paid is any of your founding members, keep them for free. Any new members that are coming into your community, those will be your paid members. Now, another option, and this makes it very, very accessible in Skool, is free and paid. You can have a free community and you can have one-time purchases to unlock individual courses for your community. And you can also grant access to members with specific courses based on your content. That's another good option to monetize your courses. Maybe it's a one-time payment. Hey, I just want to check out Canva, or I want to learn Vertex AI, or I want to learn how to live stream. That is a great way to have a free community with paid products. And last but not least, you can have a paid community. Now, again, there's multiple ways to do this, and Skool has made it so easy to create that payment for your business. A lot of other platforms online, it's difficult to set up payments and how to get that to you. But with Skool, you can set up monthly subscriptions, annual subscriptions, and one-time purchases. It is a great feature. Start your community today.